Jada Kingdom is weak? What did you expect from a Jada Kingdom? She's a young child. She just come in. You were young when you started the music too. You were young. And you had this big white panty, big old white drawers, pan some face with them that to ban you. They had to ban you. You went pan some face with one big old white drawers.
Welcome back to the Dancehall IG channel. Now, people, if you don't know what Guan Minister Marion, all formerly known as Lady Saw, call out the female artists, them, right? Mainly Shenseea, Spice, and Jada Kingdom, right? And Macka Diamond respond to it. So, I have a video with Minister Marion all. It's about 1 minute long, and mainly where everybody are talk about, right? The part there where she say, I'm sure she said other things, but we don't know what I mean. The odd part of the video, right? And then we have a video with Macka Diamond. I respond and I reply and even expand on some of what she say, right? So without any further ado, I want to listen to what Lady say. Minister Marion all. It kind of confusing at time, people, but you see what I say. Minister Marion all. Listen to what she say. Here goes.
Your barn look good. You didn't need anything else. What's wrong with you? Yes, you didn't look good. You don't look good again. You messed up yourself. You follow fashion. I don't care if you like me or not. The devil is a liar and the devil is lying to you. When things start pop down and every branches are drop off and you can't catch up, what you gonna do? You have your children to live for, to see your grandchildren. Come on! When the children go to school, people laugh and talk about you. Come on now! The only way you should be seen in that manner is if a man video you unknowingly and put it out. And may God mess them up. Yeah, them type of man there. Things that you should have in your bedroom, you gone out, but ladies are bring bed down at Sunfest, you gonna bring bed now, it played out. Get it in your...
So yes, people, that happened last night, and you know, so far, I wake up this morning and I see videos I make about it, comedy I make about it. We see a lot of people have a lot of things to say. No, nobody what she talk about no respond yet. Shenseea no say nothing, Spice no say nothing, and Jada Kingdom still no say nothing. You see what I say? Not like me really want to hear what them all say, or want them to say something for this church out, but you know what I mean? If somebody call you out like that, you might say something, you might not. So let's see what I go on with that. But one person that did had something to say is Macka Diamond. And I kind of like, you know what I mean, no wrong Macka Diamond for say something because she's from that era where Minister Marion Hall is from. Even though, you know what I mean, she don't call her name. She don't say nothing about Macka. So, you know, but me feel like Macka kind of can, you know, say something because she is from that era and them a talk about a new era of dancehall, a new era of artists. You see me? So we are going to hear what Macka Diamond have to say, and then more I want to get in the comment section. Tell me if we don't agree with, what you think about this whole situation. So without any further ado, hear what Macka Diamond have to say. Here goes.
But what is hurting my heart so much is when people change and they want to say people are doing bad that they used to do. I understand what you're trying to say now. I understand what you're trying to say now, Mama Saw. Marion All, sorry. I understand what you're saying, Marion All. I understand what you're saying now. But I don't understand. I understand, but I don't understand. Because if you want the young people them and old people like me to come in a church with you, that's not the way to go about it. That's not the way to go about it. How can you influence us to go into church talking like that and behaving like that? You cannot, that no, you did not convince me. I mean, like, Jada Kingdom is weak? What did you expect from a Jada Kingdom? She's a young child. She just come in. You were young when you started the music too. You were young. And you had this big white panty, big old white drawers, pan some face with them that to ban you. They had to ban you. You went pan some face with one big old white drawers and skin out your front. and some fest man for about 20 years. You forget? Did you forget? Remember, say we have kids. Remember, say we have kids, and we were kids. We were children too. We do wrongs when we are picnic, and when we mother tell we not look for mother. We not pay mother no mind. You understand? So even my friends them nowadays, when me see them, I tell them picnic them, but oh, we need to rude and not punish. Someone have to stop because we were rude kids too. We were kids and we rude. So if Shenseea come out to do a song and she want man lick her from left, right and center and she want come show her pum pum, you don't have no right to come tell her that she can't write and she can't. You have writing problem too. You have to get writer too. And you can't come and tell people about spices and live in your yard and this. That is not a Christian. That is not a Christian, my girl. You understand? Me know say me can't war and the whole on the kill me, not clash on the do me bad on the enough things me not talking, enough things me not come talk because you of all person were one of them that stood into my career and give me a lot of fight. I got a lot of fight from your mama, sir. And if I wish to talk the truth, is the truth. You do not like to see when a lot of female is doing well. And the female them is doing well and you must wish them well. These young girls, they are doing well. And it's time you start to love and appreciate them no matter what you're doing or even if you're a Christian. Because the woman them go through hell. Look how much things them put me through and me still giving them strength. Right? Shenseea is not going to be the last young girl going to come in this business. People going to come after her. And Shenseea will have to accept that. You understand? Are you go up on Winfred and the ladies, sir? Are you go up on Winfred and carry spice for them? Remember when you want to bring down my career? When you wanted to bring down my career, you went on Winfred show. Remember good enough? And you grab on spice and then you say, "As she are the next queen of dancehall, may I give it to she." So you want to take it now? What you want this the girl? What you bring to the table? Me don't understand. What you bring? And the top of the girl, child, and the picnic them are going to see her body fall apart. What are you doing? And her picnic and the friend them are going to laugh at the picnic them. What are you doing? Come on. That's not a Christian.